About this item, fine processing. Through precision craft by many experts, such air inlet pipe is entitled with high performance according to strict rule. Bass booster tube. With function mainly to pour the sound pressure of the airflow vibrating inside the box to the front and the sound pressure radiated from the front of the speaker, it can produce a bass effect. Application object. Such a speaker phase inverting hole is also called the sound tube and the air hole, and it is usually applicated in the inverted phase speaker. Size matching. Its airflow is very smooth, obviously improving airflow sound. Meanwhile, it is suitable for 4 to 6 inches speaker. Good material. It is made of ABS plastic material, and it is sturdy and durable. With smooth inner wall, and the flare ends are designed at both ends. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, fine processing. Through precision craft by many experts.